Yeah, jumping the gun. Okay, so this one's the Droplet, and this is the new model Droplet. I don't think, I can't remember if we've got the original Droplet any longer. This is Droplet with Vapour tray. You may still find at some other shops the original Droplet without Vapour tray. So it's just got low, medium, high, no lights after a few seconds when that goes off. It's got the directional doodah. This one has the Vapour tray. Blah blah blah. 1.9 litre tank, runs for up to 15 hours. Yeah, and so this is available in clear only, which is the most popular colour. So it's Droplet with Vapour tray. This has always been a super popular model, even before they made it cooler with the Vapour tray. This is personally, this is my favourite size, the 1.9 litre. I think 1.9 litre gives you the grunty mist output, and it gives you at least all night, even running it on medium. I normally would use it next to my bed. I've got this one at home. I would use it on low, and it would last pretty much me 2 nights. So good. Less to do to remember to fill it. So yeah, this, if you can't decide, just go for this one. It's a fantastic unit.